I want to show you how you can make money teaching students online. On this website, I'll show you how you can make your own class, collaborate with your students, and make your own rates and get paid. Over 300 subjects are taught, and since 2015, 1 million lessons have been given out. Join 65,000 teachers online. Find tutoring jobs. Applying is free of charge. Select your students, set your rate, and get paid free. And this app I want to share with you today is called Wyzant. It's a website where connects students to their teachers and teachers to their students. If you're a student and you are looking for something to learn online, you can use this Wyzant. It's free of charge. It's a very good place for you to start learning, and at a very small fee you can get a lot of learning for you to start immediately. There are teachers online or tutors who are also looking for work for you to give them their work in different categories. If you're a teacher, of which we are going to focus on it so much, if you're a teacher and you want to become a tutor in your subject, this is a site and app which you need to sign up immediately and start making money online by teaching students one-on-one or by teaching them online. You can choose this on your own location or within your location, or you can set yourself with the amount that you want them to pay for an hour. So there's different categories. If you're a teacher and a tutor and you want to do this in this category, and most popular one, we have the art, we have business, we have computer, corporate training, elementary education, English, history, home science, languages, math, science, and special needs, sports, recreation, and test preparation. All these subjects are free of charge, and a student can choose on which one he wants to do, and then the system itself will select a teacher who is available either online or one-on-one within his area. So you can find a tutor here, or if you want to request a tutor if you're a student, or online tutoring. How it works we have for students and for higher education, and what customers say. So we want to look at how to become a tutor, and that's what's the focus of our video today. And if you're a teacher and you love all this, let me know in the comment below what is your subject that you love to teach so much. And if you're a student, let me know in the comments below what subject do you want to learn on this Wyzant. Let me know, and you can put your location or anywhere you are. So how do you apply to become a tutor? Here we can click on the apply button, and when it comes up as it's still loading, what you need to do to know is you become a tutor by selecting yourself, the subject itself, connect with your students, and then put your amount. Ensure you choose the amount that you want students to pay you and start tutoring them online. It's quite simple. There are 3 steps here. Select students, set your rate, and get paid hassle free. So you don't have to pay anything on Wyzant. It's free and worldwide. So what you do, for you to apply to become a tutor, you'll put first of all your name here, and then last name. You'll put email, and then create an adword, create a password, and then click the next button. It's just here. Click the next button, and then you'll be ready to go and become a tutor and start making money. You can make even $100,000 per day if you become a tutor on Wyzant. Wyzant it connects experts with students and so forth. There are different resources. Let's check the resources here. Let's find the ask an expert. You can ask, and then we have different lessons. Of course, if you want to check about lessons, you'll find them here. And then take for example, we have English, we have accounting, we have history, we have math, science, Spanish, study skills, and test for preps. Sharpen your skill with these interactive lessons. The lessons are very interactive and very eloquent, science lessons and so much more. I want to look into this. We have files and also videos for you to watch if you're a student, you can watch all these videos, and then the video resources will give you a good idea of how you're going to learn online. Just look at this. Just look at this. I think with the evolution of technology, we are good to go. So if you're a teacher and you want to embrace technology and start making money as a teacher, as a tutor online, this is the place you need to do. So how does it work for tutors? How does it work for tutors? Let's look at how it works for tutors, and then you'll see. What you have to do is grow your tutoring business. Whether you are new to tutoring or an established pro, listing your service on Wyzant is the most effective way. So first, empower your students to achieve. You can get started. Create a profile, a free profile for yourself, like the one you see on the right hand side. Then secure more students on Wyzant. By securing students, you can click on the red button you see here, so that you can start making inviting. Then manage your tutoring business, build your brand as a teacher, build on, then start getting paid. It's a hassle free. Choose your own hourly time rate. Wyzant helps you resolve billing issues. Then receive fast easy payment from Wyzant. Top tutors have earned up to $50,000 a year dollars. Okay, so this is the amount you can make. This is how much Wyzant has paid. Very much trusted by different types of companies that they support Wyzant. So you can read about frequently asked questions and get familiar with this app so that you can start making it. They have an app on Google Play Store. If you feel you don't have a computer, you can do this on your phone. And when your phone, make sure you download Wyzant.com app, which is the link is down here. You can just go down here and see here you can click on this button here, the Google button here, the one you see, and get your Wyzant app on your phone, and keep in touch with social media platforms, and you can ask questions whatever you feel, what you feel. So this is one of the way for you to start making money. Please let me know if this video is quite important to you. Comment down below, where are you watching this video from, and what are some of your lessons that you feel you want to tutor online. This is free of charge for you to start making money. Just say make sure you show your subjects and make your profile stand out. Number 2, empower students. Number 3, quote the amount of rate that you want to receive at the end of every lesson at hourly rate, and then start making money online, either by one-on-one or connect by through the internet and start making money. Feel free to sign up on Wyzant and continue making money online in Kenya. This one is for students and for teachers. So keep here. My name is Ernest Digits. Let me know how many are here watching this video. So if you are part of it, do me a favor. Just do me a favor and subscribe to my YouTube videos, which I share most on how to make money online. How are you going to make money as a side hustle and working from home? So let me know which business do you want, or what type of questions do you have in the comments below. Say in the comments below. Okay, see you in the next video.